Have you ever wondered how many of us struggle with dandruff and how it impacts our confidence? It's a global dilemma. Millions of people around the world grapple with those pesky flakes, and it's not just about aesthetics. Dandruff can be a real hit to your self-esteem, affecting social interactions and even professional relationships. It's a frustrating issue, but today we're going to shed some light on it. We're diving into the world of natural remedies for dandruff elimination. But don't despair. There are 8 natural ways you can destroy dandruff fast. The first natural way to combat dandruff is by using coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is not just for cooking. It's a powerful moisturizer that penetrates deep into the scalp, soothing dryness and flaking. The key is to apply it directly to your scalp, leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse it out thoroughly. The lauric acid in coconut oil has antimicrobial properties that can help tackle the yeast-like fungus causing your dandruff. Next up is apple cider vinegar. The acidity of this kitchen staple helps balance the pH of your scalp, making it harder for yeast to grow. Dilute it with water, apply it to your scalp, and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. Its natural antifungal properties can help alleviate dandruff symptoms. Thirdly, we have baking soda. This household item works as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and reducing scaling and itchiness. Simply mix it with water to form a paste, apply it to your scalp, and rinse after a few minutes. Baking soda's antifungal properties can help to reduce dandruff. Finally, we have the humble lemon. The acidity in lemon juice can help balance the scalp's pH level, reducing dandruff. Just squeeze a fresh lemon onto your scalp and rinse after a few minutes. Its antifungal properties can aid in controlling dandruff. These 4 ingredients are easily accessible and can work wonders on your scalp. Moving on to the 5th natural remedy for dandruff, aloe vera. Known for its soothing and moisturizing properties, aloe vera is a powerhouse plant that's more than just a sunburn solution. When applied to the scalp, it can help to alleviate the itchiness that often accompanies dandruff, while also conditioning your hair. Simply extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing. Next up is tea tree oil. This essential oil boasts strong antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help tackle the yeast-like fungus often responsible for dandruff. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, and massage into your scalp. Wash it off after 15 to 20 minutes for a refreshed, dandruff-free scalp. Our 7th remedy is neem leaves, a staple in Ayurvedic medicine known for their antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Make a paste by grinding neem leaves with a little water, apply it to your scalp, and wash off after about half an hour. This can help control dandruff and soothe any scalp irritation. Lastly, don't overlook the power of dietary changes. Eating a balanced diet rich in zinc, B vitamins, and certain types of fats may help prevent dandruff. Consider foods like oysters, beef, chickpeas, and almonds for zinc, fish, eggs, and dairy for B vitamins, and avocados, olive oil, and nuts for healthy fats. These additional 4 natural remedies provide a variety of options to suit different preferences and lifestyles. So, what are the overall benefits of these 8 natural ways to destroy dandruff? Let's recap. These methods not only promote improved scalp health, but they're also cost-effective. You're ditching harsh synthetic chemicals for gentler, nature-derived alternatives. Plus, these remedies are readily available, often right in your kitchen. By embracing these natural solutions, you're taking a significant step towards a healthier, dandruff-free scalp. Remember, a healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. Say goodbye to dandruff and hello to confidence.